In this video, we're going to be solving exercise 6 of Pitman Shorthand. Alright, so we can see these characters here and we can also see the vowels. So if you don't know what are vowels in Pitman Shorthand, if you don't know how vowels work in Pitman Shorthand, then I would just highly recommend you that you watch the vowels video of the Pitman Shorthand course. I've given the link in the description. So let's move on. So if on the first line we see here we have all the characters above the line and we have a light dot on all the characters. So here we have a vowel sounded as a, as in that. So if you look on the first character, first we have this P character, then we have this a vowel, then we have this K character. So if we add P, A and K together, we get a word called pack. So we simply write pack like this. Alright, next we have this B character, then we have this A vowel, then we have this K. So if we add B, A and K together, we get a word called back. So we simply write back like this. Next we have this T, then A, then we have this P. So T, A and P is tap. So we simply write tap. Next we have this K, then A, then P. So it's cap. So write cap. Next we have this K again, then A again, then we have this Ch now. So it's K, A and Ch, so it's catch. So simply write catch like this. Alright, we're done with the first line. Let's move to the second line. Alright, here also we're having the light dot on all the characters, and here all the characters are on the line. So we have a vowel here sounded as a, as in pen. Alright, so first we have this D, then we have this A vowel, and then we have this K character. So if we add D, A and K, we get a word called deck. So it's we simply write deck like this. Then we have this again D, A, and we have this L. So it's del. So simply write del like this. Now we have this D, then A, then we have this T. So it's det. So simply write det like this. Alright, now we have this J, then A, then we have this K. So it's check. So simply write check like this. Alright, now we have this R, then A, then we have this D. So R, A and D is red. So red. Alright, we're done with the second line. Let's move to the third line. Alright, again we have this light dot on all the characters, and now the characters are below the line. So we have a vowel here sounded as E, as in is. Alright, so first we have this vowel, E vowel, and then we have this L. So it's ill. So we simply write ill like this. Next we have this B, then E, then we have this L. So it's bill. So bill. Next we have this J, then E, then we have this L. So it's chill. Alright, next we have this K, then E, then L. So it's kill. Alright, next we have this M, then E vowel, then we have this L. So it's mill. So mill. Alright, we're done with the third line. Let's move to the fourth line. Alright, so now we have a light dash on all the characters, and all the characters are above the line. So we have a vowel here sounded as O, as in not. Alright, first one we have this D, then we have this O, then we have this K. So D, O, K is dock. So we write dock like this. Next we have this ish, O, then D. So it's shod. So shod. Now we have this R, then O, and then D. So it's rod. Next R, O, then we have this K. So it's rock. So rock. Next M, O, then K. So mock. Right, we're done with the fourth line. Let's move to the fifth line now. Alright, now we again have a light dash on all the characters here, and all the characters are on the line. Alright, so we have a vowel here sounded as as in much. So first we have T, then we have this vowel, then we have this J. So T, and J is touch. So touch. Then we have D, D, then we have this and then we have this J. So Dutch. So simply write Dutch like this. Then we have this D, this, then a vowel, then we have this M. So dumb. So write dumb like this. Then R, and then ing. So R plus a plus ing is rung. So rung. Then we have this L, then a again, then we have this ing again. So lung. Right, we're done with the 5th line. Let's move to the 6th line. So now we have again a light dash on all the characters, and all the characters are below the line now. So we have a vowel here sounded as U, as in good. So first we have this T, then U, then K. So T, U and K is took. So simply write took like this. Then we have this ish, U and K. So shook. Then we have this B, U and K. So book. Then we have this L, U and then K. So it's look. Then we have this P, U and ish. So it's push. So simply write push like this. Alright, so that was all about it. I'll see you in the next video.